This one here is the TGauge Deutsche Bahn I.C.E. high-speed train. It's Intercity-express is what the I.C.E. stands for. And this one is the first model I ever got for TGauge about a year and a half or maybe 2 years ago, I forget. And it's a beautiful little model. This one, it's TGauge is 1/450 scale. So it's very tiny, just really tiny. It's amazing that they get these tiny little motors in these things. And this one also has the forward and reverse LEDs, which you'll see. I'm going to bring it around the edge here, and you can see the forward headlights going on this. And as it goes around, you'll see it's got the red tail lights lit. And if we reverse it here, the lights are reversing on it, which is just, I feel like it's really pretty neat how they did that, something so small. There, so there you go. And we'll let it roll around the track. It goes pretty quick too for such a tiny model around the track. Running on a PWM transformer, pulse width modulation, which allows for fairly fine control over these tiny little models. And we'll get it, as soon as it passes here, we'll get it to switch tracks here. Here we go. We'll get it onto the inside track now. There she goes. Flip that one back so it stays straight. And there you go. The TGauge 1/450 scale Deutsche Bahn I.C.E. high-speed train. And that'll do it for that one.